guys, this is Katro, AK Cat, and you're new my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of my hairstyle tutorial. I dyed my hair a bit red. I don't know if you can see. I'm in the shower. No, I'm taking a shower. I'm putting the conditioner on. This is my Garnier Nutrients Nourishing Color Foam. And the letter C, that's the conditioner. This is Nourishing Avocado Olive and Shea Oil Conditioner. And the directions is after I rinse the color thoroughly through cold water, then apply the crisp conditioner, distributing evenly through the hair and leave it on for 2 minutes and rinse and style okay. I'm not gonna blow dry my hair, so I'm gonna let it air dry. And tomorrow we'll see the final of my hair dye. So, I'll see you soon. Bye.